Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple CarPlay in your Lexus RX 350. First, connect your iPhone to the USB data port in your vehicle. Make sure CarPlay is enabled in your iPhone's general settings. Once connected, a prompt will appear on your Lexus display. Accept this to seamlessly integrate your iPhone's features. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once CarPlay is active, you'll see your familiar iPhone apps on the Lexus display. You can easily access navigation, music, and messaging. Navigate through the interface using either your Lexus trackpad or the touchscreen, depending on your model. For ultimate convenience and safety, utilize Siri voice commands to control functions without taking your hands off the wheel.
Quick recommendation: just like you want your tech to work flawlessly, you want your feet to be comfortable. Life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Personalizing your CarPlay experience is simple. You can rearrange app icons directly from your iPhone settings, which will reflect on your Lexus display. Adjust notification preferences for calls and messages to minimize distractions while driving. Additionally, explore the settings to select a wallpaper that suits your style, making your CarPlay interface truly your own. Encountering issues with CarPlay can be frustrating, but many problems have simple solutions. If CarPlay isn't connecting, try restarting both your iPhone and the Lexus Infotainment system. Always check your USB cable for any damage, as a faulty cable is a common culprit. Finally, ensure your iPhone's operating system is updated to the latest iOS version for optimal compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.